Have you ever stopped to think about why you can argue for a better price on a shirt in a crowded market, but your electricity bill? Well, that price is non-negotiable. It's like these are two totally different universes of business, right? Well, you're not wrong. They are. So let's get into it and figure out exactly what creates these very different worlds.
So picture this. On one side, you've got a place like the Logan Market in Lagos. You see dozens, maybe hundreds of vendors. They're all selling pretty similar shirts, and they're all fighting for your attention, for your cash. Then on the other side, you've got your local power company. One single seller, one power grid. And if you want electricity, you've got to buy from them, period. This sharp contrast, it's really the key to understanding how our whole economy is put together.
So what is going on here? What's the secret sauce that creates these polar opposite situations? That is the big question we're going to tackle in this explainer. And the answer, it all comes down to something called market structures. But before we can break that down, we need to be on the same page about what a market even is. And here's a little hint. It's not always a physical place you can just walk into. You see, a market is really just any system, any place, physical or digital, that lets buyers and sellers connect and make a deal. It could absolutely be a physical spot like Wasi Market, but it's also an online giant like Jumia or even a service platform like Fiverr. If goods or services are being exchanged, you're looking at a market. So think of every single market like a recipe, and this recipe has three main ingredients. First up, how many sellers are there? Second, how similar are the products they're selling? And third, how easy or hard is it for a new business to jump in and start competing? The unique mix of these three things sets the rules of the game for everybody. And when you mix those ingredients in different ways, you get four main types of market structures. The best way to think about them is on a spectrum, kind of like a sliding scale, from the most intense cutthroat competition you can imagine, all the way to